Pranayama. Pranayama. What is pranayama? According to Desikachar and the Yoga Sutras, pranayama is the conscious, deliberate regulation of the breath, replacing unconscious patterns of breathing. It is possible only after a reasonable mastery of asana practice. So that is Sutra 2.49. And it is done usually in a comfortable but erect seated position. What are the components of pranayama? Well, they're explained in Sutra 2.5. It involves a regulation of the exhalation, the inhalation, and the suspension of breath. The regulation of these processes is achieved by modulating their length and maintaining this modulation for a specific practice, period of time, with many different techniques of pranayama that are too much to explain here. So that is our pranayama. Let's practice a basic technique. So it is the mastery of the inhale, the suspension of the breath, the exhale, and the suspension of that breath too. Let's practice that together. So sitting in a comfortable seat, spine tall. A mudra of choice can be used. You can have the hands in this nice position here with the thumbs touching. That could be a nice focal point. Bhairavi mudra. So you're sitting like that with the hands, thumbs touching. That can be really nice. Maybe it's an upward posture with the hands. Chin mudra. Index finger to thumb with the hands either palms down or up. Closing your eyes. Relaxing any tension. Simply noticing your breath. Begin to hear your breath with Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama, the victorious breath, closing off the back of the throat, making that little sound. If you don't know how to do this, a technique you can try or teach your students is to imagine you have a mirror. Take a breath. As you exhale, you're going to fog up that mirror. Do the same thing, but this time with the mouth closed. Ujjayi Pranayama. Easier to do on the exhale than the inhale, but with practice, you can do it on both. Lowers cortisol, stimulates vagal nerve toning.